Parts of an equation. So in math, we don't always deal with many definitions, but it's always important to know the different parts of an equation, what they mean, and how to pick them out of equations. So we're going to circle and give the definition for constants, terms, variables, operators, coefficients, and expressions in the equation 5x plus 13 equals 32. So first, let's define constants. Constants are values that don't change. So essentially, they're just plain numbers. So when we look at our equation here, we have 5x, but that has the x in it, so that means that it can change for different values of x, so that wouldn't be a constant. But our 13 and our 32 don't have variables multiplied on, so they would be constants. So they're not going to change no matter what variable we add. Next, we're going to look at terms. Terms are a part of a sum in an algebraic expression, and you could also say they're a single number, variable, or a number multiplied onto a variable. So, looking at this, 5x, 13, and 32 all fit the definition of being a term. Because they all are either variables, numbers, or a mixture of variables and numbers. Next, we're going to define variable. Variables are symbols for unknown numbers and they're usually a letter like X or Y. We see those a lot in algebra with lines. So, when we look through our equation, we have the letter X here, and that is our variable. It's some unknown number that makes this equation true. Next, we have operators. Operators are a symbol that represents a math process like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So in this equation, we have a plus sign, and that is our operator. And note that we did not include the equal sign as an operator. The equal sign is not an operator. Next, we have coefficients. Coefficients are a number multiplied onto a variable. So in this equation, our 5 would be our coefficient. And lastly, we have expressions. And expressions are a group of terms separated by addition or subtraction. So in this example, our 5x plus 13 would be considered our expression. So these are the main parts of an equation and what they mean and how to find them.